In this video, I'll show you how to set up classes and locations in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and open the company you want to use. Next, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select Account and Settings. Now open the Advanced tab and find the Categories section. Click Edit next to Categories to view your tracking options. To use classes, turn on Track Classes and choose whether you want to assign a class to each transaction or each transaction line. After that, turn on Locations if you want to track transactions by different stores, offices, departments, or business locations. Next, click Save and then Done to apply your settings. Now return to the Settings gear icon and select All Lists. Find Classes and click New to create your first class. Enter a name such as Sales, Marketing, or a specific department and save it. After that, open Locations from the same list and click New to add a location. Enter the location name and any additional information, then save it. Now when you create transactions such as invoices, expenses, or bills, you can select the appropriate class and location from the available fields. This lets you organize transactions and compare financial activity across different parts of your business. Finally, review your financial reports and use the available class or location filters to analyze your business activity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up classes and locations in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.